Okay, so this is example 3 of section 3-1. And they give us the function as y equals x root x. And they give us a point 1, 1. So if I plug in 1, first of all, you need to be in the habit of finding out, if we're trying to find the point, the tangent line that goes through 1, 1, better first of all check to make sure that that point is on the curve. Because if it's off the curve, it's a whole different process. But if I substitute 1, the square root of 1 is 1 times 1 is 1. So when I substitute 1, I get 1 as an answer. So yes, it's on the curve. We should check that. Okay, now that we know that it's on the curve, we're just going to find the equation of the tangent line. Let's go here. Tangent, it would be y minus 1 equals the slope quantity x minus 1. Well, it just so happens that the normal line equation, it goes through the exact same point. Tangency and normal go through the exact same point. So y minus 1 equals x minus 1. And the only thing that we're missing is the slope. And the way that we find the slope is just like we did last chapter. We find the derivative and we use this point right here. So we're going to find the derivative. The only thing different between last chapter and this chapter is the way that we're going to find the derivative. We don't have to use the x plus h stuff. We can go like this. Okay, the first work that you need to do is rewrite this. This is x to the 1 power times x to the 1/2 power. And when you multiply, what do you do with the exponents? Add. So this is y equals x to the 3/2 power. Write it as an improper fraction. 3/2 is the same thing as 1/2. Okay, so now, once I do that, it's easy to take the derivative. Y prime, the derivative, is equal to 3/2 x. When I subtract 1, I get 1/2. That's my derivative. Okay? So now, once you have the derivative, how do you just like last chapter, how do you convert a derivative into slope? Because this is on the curve, I get to plug in this x. The square root of 1 is still 1. 1 times 3/2 is 3/2. So the tangent line slope is 3/2. That one's finished. What's the only adjustment I need to make for normal line? Flip it and put a negative, and now the normal line's finished.